In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive sync errors quickly and efficiently. You know, sometimes OneDrive can be a bit finicky, and nothing is more frustrating than encountering a sync problem just when you need your files the most. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that you can follow to get things back on track within just 5 minutes. First, let's start by locating the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. This little icon is your gateway to managing OneDrive directly from your desktop, and it's usually sitting quietly in your taskbar waiting for attention. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. It'll open up a small window displaying your sync status along with a few other options. Now that you have this window open, look for the gear icon. This represents the settings, and clicking on it is your next step. This will provide you with further options to manage how OneDrive operates on your computer. Among these options, you'll see an option to pause syncing. Click on this to give yourself some room to breathe while we sort out the issue. There's also an option there to quit OneDrive. Go ahead and click that as well. Quitting OneDrive might seem drastic, but it effectively resets the application's processes, which is often a great way to clear out any hidden glitches. Your next step is to navigate to File Explorer. You can get there by clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar, which leads you to a window displaying your computer's directories. From here, locate the OneDrive folder. It should be listed among your main folders. This part is crucial because you need to ensure that OneDrive is marked to start when you reboot the app. So once you've found it, right click on it and select the option to start OneDrive. If you followed along correctly, you're now ready to head to your Start menu. Simply click on the Start button and type OneDrive into the search bar that appears. Follow this by selecting OneDrive from the search results to open it. This simple action will relaunch OneDrive, and hopefully any lingering sync issues should now be resolved. Finally, sometimes it's a good idea to reboot OneDrive entirely. This can be done by repeating the previous steps, quitting OneDrive again from the taskbar, and then relaunching it via the Start menu. This ensures a fresh start and often fixes what might have been a minor glitch causing the sync error. And there you have it. We've walked through a simple but effective process to tackle and fix OneDrive sync errors. Remember, a little patience and methodical steps go a long way in resolving tech issues. I hope you found